Yes, I have. Yes, a little bit. I think now we have 16. Not so old. Where are you from, Ravi? Oh, London. How's London? Lots of snow. Mm, for sure, it's very cold. Bakit ba kaya'y ilap ng tadhana? Bakit kay sakit ang umasa? What are I'm listening music. Bakit kay lapit mo sa akin? I supposed to do karaoke, but I don't have my karaoke here. Wild Legend, hello. Tagalog music. Filipino music. Hello, area. Dahil na ayoko nang isipin, pero kailangan tanggapin. I'm good, thank you. Where are you from? I see if I Google Filipino meals, will I find it? Lupit ng pag-ibig. I don't know, I can write title. I'm comment. It's a love song, Tagalog song. Title is Lupit ng Pag-ibig. I'm Iranian, but I live. Oh, Los Angeles. How are you? If your house is okay? I'm from Philippines, but now I'm here in Hong Kong. I hope your house is safe from fire. Era, are you? Let's go to here. Kung ay